Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to hackerassociate.𝗏𝗏. You're watching the Hacker Show. In this section, we are going to learn about Caido. Okay, 403 bypasser using a Caido. So I'm using this Caido. This is relatively cheap as compared to Bub Suite. Take a license of Caido, and you can basically perform a web application penetration testing. So Caido की help से भी आप web application pen testing easily कर सकते हो. So what we are going to see today, हम क्या देखने वाले हैं? So we are going to learn about how we can bypass this one 403, right? This forbidden message, how to convert into that 200 okay, 200 okay, that is response code. So let's see how we can do that. So in this area you can see, if you go to the left hand side, if you go to the left side, you can see the plugins are there, right? So you can go to the plugin में जाके you can install the plugin called 403 bypasser. So we can click here, we यहाँ पे जाके 403 bypasser, you can see clearly we have 403 bypasser. You install this plugin, okay, from this button install packages on the top area, and once you see here, right, this is the install package. So install okay from this, in my case is already installed. And once you install it, what you can do is you select the request, okay, whatever the request you want to investigate. तो suppose I want to investigate this request, मैं ये request investigate करना चाहता हूँ, right? So I can simply right click, send to the replay default collection, and you can see clearly we have a replay, and I can send the request, and you can see the message called forbidden. Now I need to bypass this, okay, like in an automated manner. What I can do is I can simple right click, okay, and you can use a plugin called 403 bypasser. That's it, you are done. When you click here 403 bypasser, automatically going to start testing all the payload and giving all the information to you. So for example, let's say when I simple click here 403 bypasser, and you can see I have this response code, status code, everything is here. You can see the response code here 200, and automatically it added okay this call param and everything, right? All this payload. So यहाँ पे उसने सारा कुछ अपने यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया है. You can check it each and every request. For example, let's see if I click here 501, you can see clearly, right, it already changed that part, and checking the response code. So I'm checking the response code 501 and checking other response code as well. So you can simply go from okay top to the bottom and check okay 200 response code like this. So let's see, in this area we don't have that much information, but similarly you can go further downside and check it. So example, let's say this one, right? So still this is not the request which we are examining. Go further properly, go to the bottom. So if I remove this, so you can see, right, this is called miscellaneous end path. Selected is exactly we need it, and you can see we bypass. That's how you can bypass 403 things forbidden, right? In the next coming video, I'm also going to show you HackerOne report and everything, and we'll see like how attacker bypass that one as well. So even I also created okay like total 9 to 10 different labs, okay, here under hacker associate things. These are all type, all variant of 403 bypasser, and we are using okay 8-9 tools, including manual, automated, AI generated, AI powered assessment, agentic based penetration testing, and many more. So for more information, you can also check this particular program called 𝗦𝗦𝗥𝗏 AI web application penetration testing.